Hello friends, myself Rajesh Dawangan and today we'll discuss in this class Langmuir differential equation. Now the Langmuir differential equation is x du square by dx square plus 1 minus x dy by dx plus n y is equal to 0. That is equation first and it is the Langmuir differential equation. And equation first is write as let y is equal to summation into r is equal to 0 ar x to the power k plus r, and this is the equation second. And now equation second is differential with respect to of x dy by dx is equal to summation into r is equal to 0 ar k plus r into x to power k plus r minus 1. This is the equation third. And equation third is differential again with respect of x d square y by dx square is equal to summation into r is equal to 0 ar k r minus 1 into x to the power k plus r minus 2, and this is the equation 4. Now using equations second, third and fourth in equation first, and let's see x d square y by dx square values in equation 4 and putting summation into r is equal to 0 ar k plus r minus 1 x to the power k plus r minus 2 plus 1 minus x, that is 1 minus x summation bracket summation into r is equal to 0 ar k plus r x to the power k plus r minus 1 and plus n summation into r is equal to 0 ar x to the power k plus r is equal to 0. Now the x multiplies square bracket. Now summation into r is equal to 0 ar x plus r minus 1 x to the power k plus r minus 1, that is x multiplies in square bracket in given x to the power k plus r minus 1, and 1 minus x multiplies square bracket and given values of plus summation into r is equal to 0 ar k plus r x to the power k plus r minus 1, that is 1 multiplies square bracket and minus x multiplies in square bracket and minus summation into r is equal to 0 ar k plus r x to the power k plus r plus and summation into r is equal to 0 ar x to the power k plus r is equal to 0 as it is right. Now x to the power k plus r minus 1 is this term and x to the power r minus 1 and this term are commonly, and put out square bracket is summation into r is equal to 0 ar k plus r minus 1 plus k plus r or square bracket x to the power k plus r minus 1 is common, and x to the power k plus r and x to the power k plus r is terms and commonly the put out of square bracket and let's see minus summation into r is equal to 0 ar and k plus r, that is minus is output but as minus is multiply and that is right minus and bracket x to the power k plus r is equal to 0. Now the k plus r multiply k plus r and minus 1. So k plus r multiply k plus r is given value k plus r का whole square minus k plus r plus k plus r and bracket x to the power k plus r minus 1, and as it is right. Summation into r is equal to 0 ar minus k plus r plus k plus r is simplify subtract and give the k plus r to whole square into x to the power k plus r minus 1 minus summation into r is equal to 0 ar k plus r minus n bracket x to the power k plus r is equal to 0. This is the equation 5, and equation 5, equating the coefficient of x to power k minus 1 to 0 by putting r is equal to in equation 5. Now see the now these terms r is equal to 0 put and given the value x to the power k minus 1 and now the a r is equal to 0 put out in this term to a 0 and r is equal to 0 put to the given value is k square is equal to 0 as anode is equal to not is equal to 0 because if k is equal to 0 k square is equal to 0 and k is equal to 0. This is the equation 6. And equating the coefficient of x to the power k plus r minus 1 to 0, now putting in r is equal to r minus 1 in equation 5, and this term is x to the power k plus r minus 1 and is as it is right now a r k plus r to whole square and minus, and this term r is equal to put r minus 1 and given value a r minus 1 k plus r minus 1 in minus n is equal to 0. Now ar is equal to k plus r minus 1 minus n and bracket a r minus 1 divided by k plus r to whole square. This is equation 7. And we know that equation 6 given the value of k is equal to 0 on putting the equation 7. So ar is equal to minus multiplying equation n plus 1 or ar minus 1 divided by r square is equal to, this is equation 8. Now equation 8 put the r is equal to 1. So a1 is equal to minus n divided by 1 square anode. This is this term is r is equal to 1 put out and plus 1 minus 1 is subtract and a1 minus 1 is equal to anode. And the second values of a2 put out r is equal to 2 in equation 8. a2 is equal to minus n minus 1 divided by a square anode and anode a1 anode given values and put the a2 is equal to n minus 1 divided by 1 square into 2 square anode. Now the r is equal to 3, put the equation 8 and a3 is equal to minus n minus 2 bracket close divided by 3 square a2 and give a2 values input the terms a3 is equal to minus n minus 1 n minus 2 divided by 1 square 2 square 3 square anode as it is continuously. Now the equation from second and we get y is equal to summation infinity r is equal to 0 ar x to the power k plus r, and we know that the equation 6 given the values of k is equal to 0 and put of the equation second. So from k is equal to 0 we have y is equal to summation into r is equal to 0 ar x to the power r, k is equal to 0 put out in equation. and this equation is simplification. Now y is equal to a naught x to the power 0 plus a1 x to the power 1 plus a2 x to the power 2 plus a3 x to the power 3 plus as it is continuously, and put the values, given values a0, a naught, a1, a2, a3. So we know that a1's values minus n divided by 1 square a naught, a2's values n minus 1 divided by 1 square 2 square a naught, and a3 values minus n minus 1 n minus 2 divided by 1 square 2 square and 3 square a naught. Given values are commonly a naught, that is out of square bracket. Square bracket a naught, and we know that the x to power 0 is equal to 1, and as it is, and a1's values of a1 values of minus n to divided by 1 square, that is minus n divided by 1 square, and a2 values is n minus 1 divided by 1 square 2 square, that is n minus 1 divided by 1 square 2 square and x square, and a3 values of minus n minus 1 n minus 2 divided by 1 square 2 square 3 square, and minus n plus multiply is minus, given minus, and n minus 1 n minus 2 divided by 1 square 2 square 3 square and x square plus continuously. This is equation 9. And that is the equation 9 is the Langmuir differential equation. Now the second topic of discuss Langmuir polymers. In this class, the Langmuir differential equation is y is equal to a naught bracket 1 minus n x divided by 1 square plus n minus 1 divided by 1 square 2 square x square minus n minus 1 n minus 2 x to the power 3 divided by 1 square 2 square 3 square plus as it is continuously. If a naught is equal to 1, then value of y is known as Langmuir polymers denoted by lnx. Now lnx is equal to a naught is equal to 1, put out in equation, and 1 minus nx divided by 1 square plus n minus 1 x2 square divided by 1 square 2 square minus n minus 1 n minus 2 x to the power 3 divided by 1 square 2 square and 3 square plus continuously. Now this equation write as lnx is equal to 1 0 factorial to whole square and x to power 0 minus n minus 1 factorial and n minus 1 factorial multiply and divide. In this term x to the power 1 plus n minus 1 n minus 2 factorial and n minus 2 factorial multiply and divide in this term. Now n minus 1 n minus 2 n minus 3 factorial and n minus 3 factorial is multiplied and divided in this term x to power 3 plus continuously. Now this simplification is written as lnx is equal to summation n r is equal to 0. This equation is positive, negative, positive, negative, alternative, continue, and write as minus 1 to the power r and n minus 1 factorial this term, and n minus 1 n minus 2 factorial, and n minus 1 n minus 2 n minus 3 factorial. Write as n factorial. Now n factorial is simplification is n minus 1 n minus 2 n minus 3 n minus 4 as it is continuously n factorial. And this equation is x to the power 0, x to the power 1, x to the power 2, x to the power 3, and write as x to the power r, and multiply by 0 factorial to whole square, 1 factorial to whole square, 2 factorial to whole square, 3 factorial to whole square, and write as r factorial to whole square, and n minus 1 factorial, n minus 2 factorial, n minus 3 factorial, as it write as n minus r factorial. And this equation, the solution of Langmuir polynomial. I hope everyone to this clear in this topic. Thank you.